Hey guys, do you like bass? Freshwater, largemouth bass. Me too. I was coming through Sumter yesterday, went by my younger brother's house, and while talking with him, he said, "You got any fish?" I said, "Not really." He said, "You got any bass?" I said, "No, not really." He said, "Well, here, I got some." He went over to his freezer and pulled out a couple of quart-size Food Saver bags of filleted bass already cut up in nuggets. So guess what I'm doing this evening? You ever seen one like this? Let me show you what I'm doing. Hold on a minute, let me switch positions. Back in 1982, when I had a job, I was on a substation maintenance crew, and we used to tinker around. After we'd get our work done, we would make things in the shop. One time in 82, I had an old metal milk crate. You know, now all you see is plastic and you can't do much with that. But back in the day, when there were milkman routes and so forth, they were steel. And so anyway, I confiscated one of these metal milk crates. I wrapped it with some tin. You know, this is low profile, non-professional. But if you look up in there, you'll see a manifold, 3/8 black pipe, a T, a valve, a brass valve with a tobacco barn burner, and welded on each end. I dirt daubed that in there long time ago. I even made this little wrench that you turn the valve with so you won't get your hand burned. Works pretty good. Watch this. Reach up in there and grab that thing and turn it, and I won't be burning my hand. It gets hot up in there, buddy. You got it on a high pressure regulator, which is red on the head. Anyway, got me a little cast iron Dutch oven. This is a pretty cool little setup for tailgating by the lake, by the pond, even at the house. It's not a big deal. You just drag it out and fire it up. So that's what I'm gonna be cooking in tonight. And we're gonna put some oil in the deep fry, and we're gonna fire the jack on this thing. You stand by. Okay, let's put some oil in. This is low tech, guys, low tech. Down here, got the gas on. Cut my gas on there. I don't need that, it's not hot yet. Now hear it. Here we go. Here we go. We got fire. While this gets hot, I'm gonna go in and batter those fish, bring them out, and this is gonna be hot and fast. Stand by. Okay folks, we're right here back in the kitchen, and I'm going to season the fish. These are filleted bass in nugget size. What I'm gonna do is just throw the salt to it. Nothing fancy, just like you're down by the river or at the cabin. And I am gonna give it some Tony Sass, a little extra kick and flavor. I actually have never used this on frying fish, so this will be my first time doing this. Alright, let's flip all these over. We're gonna do the other side. It's again, just nice layer of salt. Got to have salt on fried fish, you know that. And plenty of it. One more time on the other side with the Tonys. What I'm gonna do now, we've got some Zatarain's fish fry. I'm gonna dump this in this gallon bag and rolling it around. Take that out. I'm going to throw them over there in a bowl and just do it again, maybe a couple more times. We'll start placing these fillets in there. Secret about frying fish in a pot like this: you're not pan frying them. If you fry them deep fry, my buddy once told me 7 minutes at 370 or 375, but when they start getting quiet, that means all the moisture is gone out of the meat, all the water's out, and they're done. That is a telltale sign. When you don't hear them making any noise, they're already done. These are small pieces, so that's why it's taking a lot of them. Little nuggets, little bass fillet nuggets. Alright, we're going to stop right there, and I'm going to go find my thermometer so I can stay on my temperature that I want. I'll be back. I hadn't been out here but a few minutes, guys. Look at that. Ooh, bass fillets. Thank you, Eddie, my brother. It was smoked. Ooh, it's hot right out the fryer. I gotta go get my Texas Pete. Hold on. All right. Got me a piece of bass. Texas Pete. All right. Just drown it in some hot sauce. I know you can do these all kind of ways on white bread with slaw, or I'm not making a sandwich, I'm making a slammer. And black pepper. I already got the Tony Satchery's on it, and there's plenty of salt. Ooh, it's still hot. I about overdid it. I gotta have something to drink. That's a little piece of heaven right there, guys. Fresh filleted bass. Kiss my bass. Where is it? It's right here. Kiss my bass. Don't get no better. Well, we got a bag of fresh cut French fries. Getting ready to throw them in. Janet's made the slaw. Well, fish are done. Waiting on the fries. Yeah. Homemade. Some more like that. Nice ones. And some like that. Filleted bass. Yes, ma'am. Those are ready. Waiting on the second batch of fries. Let's fix a plate. Some filleted bass. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Alright, Eddie. This is what you gave me, buddy. I'm just gonna come in here and do that. I'm gonna get me some of these homemade. Alright. Put a few fries on there. I love homemade fries, so you know I like a lot of them. Okay. Let's come over here and get us some of this nice slaw Janet made. And how'd you make this slaw, Janet? Pretty easy, right?
Oh yeah, just a slaw mix with chopped bell pepper and chopped onion, and put the Marie's coleslaw dressing on it. Okay. Mix it up, salt and pepper to taste. There you go. All right.
And we got us some House of Entrees tartar sauce. I'm gonna try that on this fish. And of course, we got the ketchup with the fries going on. We'll do that.
And hush puppies.
Oh, yes. We'll just throw a couple of these on there, maybe 3 of them. All right. Check that out. Zero in on that play.
Oh, yeah.
How about that for a
Yeah.
Tuesday? What is today? Monday?
It's Tuesday.
I like that for a Tuesday night fish fry. Thank you, Eddie. One more time.
Yeah,
I
thanks,
keep saying
Eddie.
it.
I know we're gonna
love it. We're going out on the porch now and dine on some filet bass. Thank you for joining us, y'all. And until next time, Phil and Florence.
Janet and Florence.
See you.
Ah.